I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels, they'll be listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be making barbecue ribs. I absolutely love barbecue ribs and I'm going to be using a wonderful apricot sauce. I cannot wait to show you how easy these are to put together and put on the smoker or grill. And then you can bring them in and they just make the house smell wonderful. They're absolutely delicious. And I'm going to squirt on some mustard, and I have some gloves on so I can rub it all around on the ribs. Get them coated really well with the mustard. This will help all of the great seasoning to stick onto the ribs. It'll also give it a really nice extra layer of flavoring. Now it's time to start putting on the seasoning. Just sprinkle it all on and then start rubbing it around. Flip them over so you can get both sides. I have another seasoning that I really like, so I'm going to add another seasoning to get a lot of really good flavor. And then sprinkle on as much or little as you would like. I'm going to put a thermometer in the biggest, thickest one. This way I can easily keep track and see how it's cooking along the way. I have my smoker preheating to 225 degrees. That's the perfect temperature to put the ribs on. I put the ribs on the smoker and now I'm going to close the lid and let them start smoking. Here are the ribs. We just brought these in from the grill. Allan's going to go ahead and put some sauce on these. We're going to put an apricot sauce. It's going to be so delicious. And as you can see, this was so easy. Once we get this sauce on, we're going to get it all over the barbecue ribs, and then we're going to put them back on the smoker and let them sit. And this will get nice and sticky, and it'll be so delicious. After putting on all the sauce, I put on some foil and I let the thermometer out so I can keep track of how hot these are getting. I'll get these put back on the smoker. Now I'll just leave the ribs on the smoker until they get up to 200 degrees. Let's see how these ribs turned out. They look amazing and they smell so good. You can't believe how wonderful they smell. Just look how tangy and shiny. These ribs are going to be so delicious. Thank you so much for being here. I had so much fun showing you how easy it is to make delicious barbecue ribs. I hope you give this a try and realize just how easy it is to make something so delicious. I would be so happy if you check out the channels listed below that are participating in this collaboration. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.